at the beach. I'm actually so excited that we're at the beach. I think that I gotta come to the beach more often instead of laying in the backyard and getting attacked by ants.
I love how you get attacked by ants.
There are so many ants in our backyard. We're going to Tim Hortons because there's a Tim Hortons on the beach, obviously. And then we're gonna go take a walk. So we got our ice creams. Holy Jesus! I guess that's why they call it Sweet Jesus. Holy Jesus.
Oh my god, look at the dogs.
They're so cute.
Okay, my wish has half been taken by the wind, Aaron.
Wait. One.
Try to get in there. Hey, get in there.
I am in here.
You might have to go
Holy
further
jeez.
down.
It smells gross.
Actually.
Do something cute, like do what you just did but without your phone. Keep walking.
Oh.